Good job, Lucy! Now wash the dishes.
Okay, Mom. Mom, I finished washing the dishes.
Good. Now hang the clothes outside.
Okay, Mom.
Alex, wow, you passed level 9? That's incredible.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm very tired. Mom loves Alex more.
Now clean the living room.
But Mom, these are Alex's toys.
Put them away.
Can Alex help me? No, Alex is busy.
Yes! I am very busy winning this game.
That is not fair.
Do not complain, Lucy. Do it now.
Mom is not fair. She always helps Alex. I worked very hard today. Mom will be happy. Wow! A new ball! I will practice with it inside. Alex, don't play ball in the house. Don't worry. Mom will be angry.
I am a professional player.
Watch this.
What happened? Who broke my vase? It was Lucy. She hit the table.
That's not true. Alex did it.
Go to your room.
Mom?
No dinner for you tonight.
Mom never believes me. She always believes Alex. I work hard every day, but Mom loves Alex more. I feel so lonely.
Lucy worked very hard today, but Mom punished her. I need to tell the truth.
Mom. Yes, Alex? I need to tell you something.
I am sorry, Mom.
Sorry for what?
I broke the vase. Lucy did not do it.
What? Did you break it?
Yes. Then why did you blame Lucy? Because I was scared. Alex, I lied to you. Oh my goodness. Lucy did nothing wrong. She worked hard all day.
She cleaned the floor. She washed the dishes. And I just played games. She even cleaned up my toys. I never helped her. I treated her badly.
She did not deserve this. I feel terrible. I was wrong too. I always blamed Lucy. I never listened to her. She tried to tell me the truth. I need to talk to Lucy. Can I come too? Lucy. Go away, Mom. You are unfair. Lucy, I am so sorry.
Why?
Alex told me the truth.
He did?
Yes. You did not break the vase.
I told you the truth.
I know. And I should have believed you. I am sorry for being unfair. You work very hard every day. You help this family so much. But I never said thank you.
I just wanted your love, Mom.
I love you very much, sweetheart. I am sorry.
I love you too, Mom. Lucy? Yes?
I am sorry. Please forgive me.
You really hurt my feelings.
I know. I promise I will change. I will help you with the chores. This is for you.
Thank you, Alex.
Friends?
Friends.
From now on, everyone will help at home.
I will wash the dishes.
I will clean the floor. From now on, everyone will help at home.
I will wash the dishes. I will clean the floor.
And we will work together.
No more lies. No more unfairness.
Because we are a happy family.